So right now we are in convoy out to Bender's house because my brain had a thought. We needed another extreme tape measure action video. So my idea was to get the longest tape measure we can find, which is 35 feet, stretch it out 35 feet, and then let go of it and just let it rip, right? And then we're gonna line a car up next to the tape measure and have a 35-foot drag race to see if any of our shit boxes can beat a tape measure. So up there we've got the Crossfire and the Impala, and then behind me I have a Dodge Dakota with a 3.9, I think. My buddy Noah drives that, and well, they're going so fast. I'm trying to drive slow so Noah can keep up, and I'm going 100 in Mexico. But so we're gonna race it against the Dakota, which is about your average car vehicle speed. Then we're gonna race it against the Golf, and if the Golf doesn't win, we're gonna race it against the Crossfire, which is a pretty shitty car, and it's not the fastest in the world, but it's got some brand new tires on the back, which are, you know, 255s. So the thing should launch pretty hard, and yeah, so this should be fun. Cool. So we're in the first round of the tape measure drag races, extreme tape measure race of the world. Noah, how are you feeling?
I'm excited.
All right, roll down your window so you can hear her say 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. We're having a chat in here. All right, so the road is a little rough. Yeah.
Ready?
All right.
3, 2, go.
I think he beat you.
Yeah, just a little bit.
That's all right. That's all right. You got not the fastest car in the world.
I don't.
All right. Let's turn it around and let's get the analysis. Let's see how close we were. Nice shaved head, by the way. Looks real good. Did your truck just stall?
Yeah. If I put any gas on it in reverse, it'll drop back down where
you just
what?
Stalled your automatic?
Yep.
The clutch is a bit slippy, ain't it?
Just when it's in reverse, when the RPMs go back down, if it goes down too fast.
How close was it?
It was close-ish.
Ish?
Okay.
All right. Well, we're gonna get in the Golf.
Okay.
So the Dakota didn't really get very close. This is a slippery road. We are here in the Rally GTI, and we're gonna fucking send it.
3, 2, 1, go!
I don't know. we won. How close was it? How close was it?
Could not tell at all. Oh.
I'm not wrong.
How close was that?
You were
Not
about
close.
a bumper closer than Noah was.
Not close.
Well, from the angle that I got it at, no.
Yeah, you sucked.
Okay, Corbin, pre-race interview. Post-race interview.
Honestly,
All right, next car.
Okay, next car, Impala SS, up next.
All right, so here we are in the Impala SS. I don't know why anybody thinks this is much harder than the Golf, but we're in it, and it's not going to win because the Golf didn't win, and this thing is slower than the Golf.
We're gonna be launching from second gear. Brake and gas from about 2,000 RPM.
All right, there goes the competition. Fierce competition today at the tape measure drags. Let the starter know when you're ready.
Okay, ready?
all right. Ready?
Ready?
2, 1.
Oh
That
my
was
gosh.
definitely faster than the Volkswagen.
Hell yeah.
I had problems with traction, but that was fierce launch right there.
Yeah, that was so
intense.
much better.
That was actually a lot. I mean, the Volkswagen was so much better than this shitty Chevy. The Volkswagen was so much faster. There is no way that... Hit your fucking car. Hit it. 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 Pussy.
You gotta pay for the damages.
No, it's your car. You hit it. All right. All right.
Gosh, that was nasty.
Look how dirty it is. Tuck and roll. Did it win?
It almost did.
Almost?
There's about that much room behind the Impala in the tape measure.
It's close.
It launched harder than I thought it would.
Gosh.
I couldn't get traction to save my life.
2,000 RPM.
Why aren't you getting the crossfire?
All right, Thomas.
Counting the Impala.
Thomas, you're our final hope. I never thought I would say that in my entire life.
I'm wondering how the...
He's my hero. Here we are in the crossfire. Let her rip. Oh, that rumble. That grumble. Hey, sexy.
Wing up or down?
Wing, up, yeah. Because then you'll get more traction. That's how aerodynamics work.
Yeah, exactly.
No.
What was he gonna say? Hopefully, it wasn't important. Don't drive in their yard. All right. Going up to the starting line. Oh.
You were saying?
You're gonna fuck up this whole parking brake boost thing. You're gonna fuck it up. All right, you think you got what it takes to beat the tape measure?
I think I do. Taking it all the way to red line.
All right, let the starter know when you're ready.
Are you guys ready?
Ready?
All right, 3, 1.
Woo!
disappointing answer though, because I watched.
You saw it?
Yeah. We're gonna need like an actual car to do this.
Yeah, something that's not a complete pile of shit. What the fuck? Alright,
You scratched the front bumper there.
Wait, what?
Hey, actually, you were dead even.
dead even. If it can focus.
It might have been this short from it.
Was I the closest?
You barely beat the Impala.
The angle I got, you can see it perfectly, but I haven't rewatched it yet.
Alright, well, we're gonna have to head out to a smoother road for part 3, but
What's part 3?
part 3?
That'll be in the next adventure.
The next adventure. Something that's the road that's not complete shit. Fuck your house and fuck your road. Good night. Like and subscribe.